From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning. Today is Wednesday, September 21st, 2016. I am Brian Cizek with your Campus Weather Service forecast. Checking in on Beaver Stadium right now, a beautiful morning. Those high cirrus clouds, an absolutely stunning sunrise this morning, and visibility a lot better. We're not seeing that fog like we did yesterday, so a lot clearer out today. Now, right now, 55 degrees, a little bit chilly if you're stepping outside, so you might want to grab a jacket. As I mentioned, we're not seeing that fog, so visibility a lot better and not too much wind. Now, the weather headlines for today: unseasonably warm today, up to 10 degrees, even a little bit more above temperatures that we're used to seeing for this time of year. And today is the last official day of summer, but summer is not ready to leave quite yet. It's hanging on for the rest of the week. But then for the weekend, that cooler air does come through, and we're going to see conditions that we're used to seeing around this time, late September of the year. Right now, 55 degrees in State College, in about the low to mid 50s for much of the area. 60 if you're up in Williamsport, 60 down in Johnstown as well. And taking a look at the state as a whole, mostly in the 50s, a little bit warmer if you're going down to Philadelphia at 69 degrees, and still hanging on to the 40s in Bradford up in the northern part of the state. So the dew points right now, it's going to feel pretty comfortable today. We're in that comfortable range at 55 degrees, and that's what it's going to be for most of the state, unless you're heading down towards the Philadelphia area, a little bit stickier, a little bit muggier down there. Checking in on the satellite and radar right now, we are seeing those clouds in the eastern part of the state, and those are actually the remnants from Tropical Storm Julia that is hanging off the Atlantic coast right now. But in State College, luckily, we are not going to see any effects from that. Speaking of the tropics, right now, Tropical Storm Carl is out in the Atlantic, but it is going to take that western turn, so it won't affect us in the U.S. However, Bermuda right about here, late Friday night, Saturday morning, if you're going on vacation, if you know anybody there, we will see some impacts from that. So stay tuned to see if it will turn at all towards Bermuda. Looking in at the future weather, those clouds from the remnants of Julia move out, and beautiful sunny skies for us in the middle part of the state. And looking in for today, 82 degrees with a high today, lots of sunshine, unseasonably warm conditions. The average temperature for this time of year is about 71 degrees, so we're over 10 degrees above what we're used to seeing for this time of year. Into tonight, clear skies, so that will lead to those cooler conditions. So if you have to stay out late, early tomorrow morning, you might want to grab that light jacket. And into tomorrow, much of the same, 83 degrees, even warmer than it is today, and sunny skies again. So take advantage of these last few days of those summer-like conditions. Now Friday, once again, 83 degrees, much of the same. Summer's last grasp there, but then that cooler air comes through for the weekend. 72 on Saturday, and that's when we're finally going to feel that autumn-like conditions, much more used to for this time of year. And Sunday getting even cooler with a high of just 67 degrees. So that will feel a lot different than it is the end of the week this week. And then Monday and Tuesday, much of the same with temperatures around 70 degrees and partly cloudy skies. For the Campus Weather Service, I'm Brian Cizek. Have a great day.